If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain children's play shorts into these lovely, festive, blingy junk shorts, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some embellishments to these really cute little plain denim shorts. The glue I showed you is called Fabric Fusion. It's by Allene's. So I'm going to be gluing some rhinestones and some other cute little pieces. These are some of the pieces I'm going to be adding, and these are the other pieces. So I have some chunky rhinestones, I have some rhinestone trim, and then I also have like some acrylic mirror. So I'm just going to start off by cutting the trim the size that I want it to be for the belt loops. I'm just going to do the belt loops in the front. I just thought that would be cute just to have like some little bling in that front area. I think these shorts are like a size 6'7" or a 5'6", like toddler size. They're actually a little big, but I think my daughter can probably fit them now. She's 5. So the inner part has like that little elastic band that helps the pants fit up on the waistline. So she should be able to fit these. I think these turned out like really pretty. It's a lot going on, but that's like the whole point of the junk shorts. So I made the little bear in this cute bow using some UV resin. So it's going to be a combination of pieces that I made, pieces that I purchased, just some cute little things. And I thought I was going to add some planners. I didn't add any planners, but that would be cute as well. I like the chunkier size rhinestones. And this is going to be pretty self-explanatory and very simple. It's summertime, it's hot. It's like, why not jazz up some shorts, you know? I'm going to be doing a pair of shorts for myself. I'm going to just more so probably have just some chunky bling on them. It's a great way to like really add a little bit of flair to something that's plain and simple, you know? And it's just nice to have something that stands out. So I'm just going to keep adding these pieces. This glue is pretty good. Once you use it, you want to go ahead and let it cure for about 48 hours before you wash the garment in the actual washing machine. But this is supposed to set and cure in about 2 hours. And like I said, you can make these pieces with UV resin. You can buy the molds on Amazon. I'll make sure I have most of the links to where I got everything from. You can buy these acrylic mirror pieces on Amazon. The wax pickup tool you can get from Amazon. You can find these rhinestones on Amazon as well. If you want to get a little fancier and put like luxury brooches or something like that on there, I have things like that available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. Oh, I did put a planner on here. So that little Hello Kitty piece, that is a planner. I don't have that specific one on my website, but I have like little bling and planner kits available. That will be cute to add on to some shorts as well. So you can just keep watching at how I add the pieces on. This is very simple and it's so cute, so adorable, especially if you wanted to like make some cute little outfits for your daughter, for your niece, or for whoever, or even for yourself, like some cute little go out of town vacation outfits, maybe something for a birthday, just something just to wear just because. So for the little trim area to the pocket, I thought it would be a cute idea just to go ahead and go on that area with some pearls. So these pearls, I think this size is like a 6mm pearl. And I just thought this was just so adorable. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these cute little junk shorts. I only added some embellishments and some razzle dazzle to the front of the shorts. You're definitely welcome to add some stuff to the back. I wouldn't suggest it, you know, because if you sit down and you don't want it to be uncomfortable or anything, or things to like possibly scratch up against something, but I just wanted to show like a cute little outdoor, just to show you how these will look outside. You know, the daylight is always a little different than the inside. I tried to keep it with just the blue, the white, and the pinks. Those are like her favorite colors, blue and pink. I'm going to have another video coming out of some other shorts that I did for her. I think these turned out really, really cute. I love the bows on them. I love the bear. I love the little part that says Barbie. I love the acrylic mirror, but you can most definitely do these however you see fit. Whatever the design you like, or even if your child likes maybe some cute characters, or you can add like some patches, some embroidery patches. There's so much that you can do to make the junk shorts, and you can definitely go heavier with the bling and the pearls and all the pieces. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or send it to someone who may be interested in this, or share it on Facebook. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available, and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired croc charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.